My name's Anthony and I run a stand-up paddleboarding business. We're based in a little village called Glyndufwy. It's just near Llangollen, right on the River Dee, so that's where our office is based, but we take people out on the river and then we also take people on the canal in Llangollen as it's a historic site of interest, so it's a really beautiful place to take people out and show people some really lovely scenery. So our customers come all over the UK. We do whitewater stand-up paddleboarding. Nobody else does that in the UK yet. So, and the great thing about that is we even have people come over from France, Germany, and it's worth the travel. So it's a great way, and they wouldn't know about us unless it was online. When we first started our company, we did lots of flyer handouts, and all of our advertisement was through through paper, so like newspaper flyer advertising, things like that. And what we've now developed into is using footage, using GoPros, using film, getting it out on Facebook, and we're finding the development of that is so much quicker. We get so much quicker response off how many people we reach and all that sort of stuff. We uploaded a video, and then within 24 hours we've managed to reach 2,500 people. So to be able to reach that in 24 hours, I couldn't do any other way. They straight away share it with their friends. They then like it, more people then see it, and it grows within sort of that friendship really quickly. And then they comment, and one person comments, and then that brings a load of more people commenting that then see the video as well. So that sharing and spreading the word just happens in a really quick, dynamic way. So we're in quite a rural location, but we still get a good enough broadband that we can upload videos, we can still be online 24/7, and that's the key for us, that it doesn't matter what time of the day, if someone's up there on the internet, they can still book a session. They might be 12 o'clock at night, we don't need to be answering phones, they can book a session online. Without good broadband and without being able to have that 24/7, we wouldn't be able to do it. Our customers have started to use TripAdvisor a lot more as well, and it shows that people are sort of looking at how good your company is and just ranking it online and giving comments on their good experience with us. So looking forward to what we're doing in the future, we're trying to keep investing in our software, making sure it's up to date, making sure we've got good cameras so that we can start getting better angles and better sort of footage off it, and it's not just all one camera, all GoPro stuff. Same with the computers, just keeping up to date, making sure we've got a good computer that can keep up with all this editing we're doing. And we've seen by putting money into that, we get a lot more from it than putting money into any other way in our company.